tears. In the rain. I watch the sky forget your name as thunder folded into gray. Every promise turned to glass and slowly drifted far away. I reached for you through empty air, but only silence answered me. Like every memory we made was washed into eternity. And I tried to hold the falling sky, but it slipped right through my hands. Like every word we never said was written in the sand. Tears lost in the rain, falling where you once remained, calling out your name again, but the storm won't feel my pain. Tears lost in the rain, every drop of fading flame, and I'm standing here alone, where nothing stays the same. Lost in the rain, lost in the rain. I can't bring you back again. The streets are drowning memories, reflections break beneath my feet. Your shadow moves inside the storm, then disappears before we meet. I hear your voice in passing winds, a ghost inside the pouring night. But every time I reach for you, you turn into the light. And I try to hold the falling sky, but it slipped right through my hands. Tears lost in the rain, never falling back the same. Every heartbeat calls your name, but the silence knows my pain. Tears lost in the rain, like a river without chains, and I'm faded into blue, still reaching out for you. Lost in the rain, lost in the rain. Tears become the rain again.